Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. If you want to go ahead and join our group, please go ahead and click on the link provided in the pinned comment or in the description of the video. The group serves as a forum for getting your questions answered, sharing knowledge, and also interacting with successful investors who have navigated bad markets before. In this video, we'll be talking about a debt-free small cap where Radhakishan Damani has bought 2,65,173 shares during the last quarter. His stake in the company has now gone up to 4.97%, representing an increase of 1.71% during the last quarter. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is VST Industries Limited, which is available at rupees 2,959.15 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is VSTIND. Now VST Industries Limited engages in the manufacture and sale of cigarettes and unmanufactured tobacco. It operates through the sales within India and sales outside India geographical segments. The company was founded on November 10, 1930 and is headquartered in Hyderabad, India. Now looking at the 1 year chart, this company was on a slow uptrend for the majority of the year, but in the recent crisis, the stock has literally collapsed. The market cap of the company is 4,569.50 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 185.54 translates into a cheap price to earnings ratio of 15.95, which is slightly cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 17.90. The price to book ratio of 6.88, however, is a bit on the higher side. The company is debt-free and hence the debt to equity and total debt are zero. The return on equity for this company is also a very strong number at 0.4364. Dividend yield is another strong factor for the company at 3.21%, whereas the promoter holding is below average at 32.16%, out of which nothing is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Also friends, please go ahead and join our free Telegram group, the link for which is provided in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. This will help you get updated with stock market information at the earliest. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.